My name is Manpreet Aujle and my family and I run Didar Berry Farm. We moved to this land in 2005, and when we came, this whole field was just wild grass, and it wasn't cared for very well. And then over 3 years, we got rid of the wild grass, picked out all the rocks, turned it into a blueberry farm, and started the business. The four of us that run the Didar Berry Farm, we also have our own jobs as well. My dad's a power engineer, my mom's an EA and she works with kids with special needs, my brother's a lawyer and I'm a teacher, so in turn we all bring a special skill set to the farm, and it's very much been a team effort and we're in constant communication making this business work. We have U-Pick every day from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and U-Pick is great because you can pick and choose what specific fruit you want. And we're offering 3 varieties, Rika and Duke, which runs from July 1st to July 30th. And then from the end of July until the end of the season, which is normally the end of August, you have Blue Crop, which is, I feel like, is often everyone's favorite. It's the best of both worlds. It's sweet, has a bit of tartness, it's big, it's crunchy. So what's great is you can come at different times throughout the summer and experience different varieties. And U-Pick is a great way for families to come out, and sometimes we'll see generations of families. You'll hear them telling each other stories. BC Blueberries are great because you have some of the best blueberries in the world. We have an amazing climate for blueberries, and also just buy local. It's amazing that you have access to all these fruits and vegetables from pretty much your neighbors, and you're reducing your carbon footprint, and you're also supporting local businesses and local farmers, and you get to see the people that grow your food, which is really exciting, and it connects us all.